What's going on, boys and girls? Biker Dave here, working on the Hummer H3. This is a bump stop, or a jounce, sometimes it's called online. And as you can tell, I mean, it's not completely destroyed, but it's in pretty rough shape. You know, I don't know if it's original, but this is a 160,000 mile vehicle, and it might be original. I know I've seen worse. But it's degraded, it doesn't have much resiliency anymore. You notice, when you hit the brakes kind of firmly, the truck nosedives pretty badly in the front. I mean, this thing needs new shocks anyway, but this is also a common problem on lots of vehicles that have these. And very simple to replace it. I mean, it's a little difficult, but as far as what you need to do and all that, it's not that hard at all. I've already put the new ones in, but the new ones were about this tall. So a little bit higher. Way better. Oh my goodness. I just drove this thing around and holy cow. So much better. Wow. I mean, way better. I'll show you what it looks like. All right, there you can see them right under there. Here we are from the side of the passenger side here. You have to you can jack the front of the vehicle up like this here. Get the tires off the ground. And you'll just it's good to use some sort of spray, like a little soapy spray. I use Simple Green with water. I mean, I keep a bottle of it at all times in that garden sprayer right there. I keep it all the time because I use it for so many things. But if you just spray a little bit, up in there, that'll help the old one come out easily. The old one should come out pretty easily anyway. And just get yourself a big, stout screwdriver. And you just put it, in this hole right there. And just pry it out, basically. I mean, you just pry the old one out. It'll pop right out. The new one is a little difficult to install. You basically have to, just manipulate it. Same thing, put some spray up in there. And you just have to cram it in there, basically. It's not easy. But, I just use a variety of, screwdriver and a big old hammer. And, you got to pry up in there a little bit. Like get the butt of the handle up in there so you can get some prying action on it. It's not simple, and you may have to use whatever you got, a drift pin. I use a drift pin and just sort of poke, with a hammer and just tap it up in there all the way around, because it needs to be square up and down like this, because if it's cocked sideways, that's not good. So you got to make sure that it's up in there square, like this one is. And man, I tell you, handles better. Brakes better, front end doesn't tip down so much, under hard braking. I mean, wow. Big improvement. I got my eyes on some Pro Comp shocks. I'm going to get shocks for this thing soon enough. But, I'm just waiting to do that a little bit later. But these are very inexpensive and easy to do and totally improves the handling of the vehicle. Oh, wow. Seriously. Do it. If you have not done it, and if yours look all ratty and crappy, get them out of there and replace them. It only takes you a few minutes to do it. And you will see for yourself. Huge improvement. Seriously, a massive improvement. I completely recommend it. I'm sure there are other vehicles that use a similar little bump stop thing like that. So if yours look worn out, replace them. Wow. Awesome. Totally awesome. Anywho, that's it. Check out other videos. We got an 08 Hummer H3 Alpha here. Great freaking truck. I totally like it. It's my first Hummer. Been doing some little fix-ups and stuff to this little thing. And it's a really good, solid vehicle. Totally happy with it. But we are actually hoping to go riding tomorrow for the first time in a million years. If you recall this hot shot right here. The weather has been just fantastic here in Atlanta. I mean, we're talking late February, and it was 70 degrees which is totally awesome, you know. So hope to go riding tomorrow. Just, you know, sometimes it's difficult when you work for a living and have a life and all that, just getting ready to go, and it's a full day task to go riding and all that. You guys know how it is. But that's what the plan is tomorrow, so pretty awesome. Anyway, check out other videos. We got stuff for, you know, all kinds of vehicles, you know, like this Hummer. We got Chevy truck videos, Ford Taurus X videos, Ford Mustang videos, Suzuki LTA 50, a little Honda CRF 80, of course Yamaha YZ250, older Yamaha YZ250F, you know, Polaris Predator 50, Polaris Trailblazer 250. We got videos on all those as far as projects, you know, like some pretty significant projects we did on them. So if you have a vehicle like that, check it out. But we also do how-tos and fix-ups and stuff, you know, anything that may help you. But we have some pretty good entertainment on our channel also, so check it all out. Good stuff. And make sure you find us on eBay. We have all kinds of stuff for sale, parts and tools, specialty stuff, you know, for power sport vehicles, all on our eBay and Amazon store and our Facebook page. Check it out. Anyway, Biker Dave finishing up on Sunny. This is Sunny, solar flare metallic color. It's got metallic, you know, glitter in it and all that's pretty awesome. But this is Sunny. Anyway, y'all have a good evening. We'll see y'all later.